Hello, welcome, and congratulations on your acceptance into Occidental College. I couldn't be more proud and happy for you. I'm Rob Flot, the Vice President for Student Affairs and Dean of Students. I oversee most of the student experience outside of the classroom. I look forward to meeting you sometime soon, but today I want to provide a little bit of information about the co-curricular experience that might help you to understand a bit more about what Oxy has to offer. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what is the Oxy community like? What is it about? How would I describe it? Sometimes that can be a challenge because it's a very diverse community. There are students that are involved with athletics, some with cultural organizations, some with the arts, sciences, so it's very diverse. However, our student body tends to be one that wants to be change agents in their community, wants to strive for equity and inclusion and social justice as well, both on and off campus. Our community is tight-knit, a close-knit community. Our faculty know students by name, students know faculty by name as well. So we live and grow as a family and as a community together. Our growth and development as a community is enhanced by our diversity, and it's enriched by the difference of opinions that people bring to the table. Students' voices are centered and included in important conversations on campus, and we try to have shared experiences, shared governance to the extent possible as well. One of the things I'm especially proud about at Occidental is the care and concern that we provide for our students. To that end, we have a philosophy called the culture of care. And what the culture of care refers to is that everybody at the college has an expectation to reach out, to connect, to tend to others at the institution. So if someone sees a student might be struggling, they may contact the Dean of Students office or the counseling center or an advisor, a coach, to let them know that there's a student that might need some outreach or support. We expect that faculty, staff, students all really embody and support our campus community through the culture of care. In addition to strong academic engagement in the city of Los Angeles, students also have a lot of socialization and a lot of fun in LA. Sometimes that comes through the form of clubs and organizations who are taking trips into the city. Sometimes it's dining at numerous, countless restaurants in Los Angeles, going to the beach, hiking in the mountains, checking out the cultural scene, the arts in LA. There's just countless things to do, and it's really at our doorstep. Unlike is the case for most small liberal arts colleges, Oxy and LA has something to offer for everyone. So in addition to having fun and recreation in Los Angeles, we also have partnerships on the co-curricular side of the college whereby we connect with community service agencies and engage with them. For example, our students volunteer tutor in Los Angeles public schools. We're also involved with teaching English to folks who have English as a second language. It's just two examples. So we have a strong, robust community engagement program for students in addition to the fun and recreation and academic opportunities that the city of LA provides for us. The engaged and involved experiences that Oxy students have in and outside of the classroom, when bolstered by the experiences in the city of Los Angeles, really create a rare and unique opportunity for an undergraduate that's hard to find at any other institution.